Hey guys, this is Anchal, second year MBBS student from Government Dun Medical College, and welcome back to our channel Medicoholic. First of all, thank you so much for showing this much love and support to our channel. We love how you people are helping us to grow, and we are very happy to share that we had crossed 1K subscribers. And today's video is for showing some respect to our warriors who really sacrificed a lot for our living.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए।
Year passed, but the efforts, the sacrifices our heroes made can't be ignored. A heartfelt gratitude to our heroes, जिनकी वजह से we all are living our life this smooth. Respect to our doctors, our healthcare workers, our police officers, our army, and many more. And not to forget the people of India, जिन्होंने लॉकडाउन को फॉलो किया एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली उसके बाद भी कम से कम घूमने या घर से बाहर निकले. 2020 was such a tough year, but not only for our heroes, but for them too, the people who were suffering from corona or was diagnosed with corona. क्योंकि वो एक ऐसा टाइम था जहां हम सबका माइंडसेट बन चुका था कि हम जब किसी को खांसते हुए भी देखते थे हम उन्हें मारने लगते थे. We people can't even imagine the problems they people were facing. जो लोग बीमार होते हुए भी अपने घर वालों से नहीं मिल पा रहे थे. This video is not for sharing the negativity of 2020, but to appreciate and to show respect for them who really deserve it. Second most populous country with healthcare ranking more than 100. Everyone was scared how our country will survive this situation, how our country will manage this situation. But especially in the initial days, our healthcare sacrificed a lot. बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स, बहुत सारे हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स, नर्सेस कई रात सोए नहीं, कई महीनों तक घर नहीं गए एंड पूरी गर्मियां उन्होंने उन पीपीई किट में निकाली. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली दे फेस 24/7 कोरोना एक्सपोजर. A lot of thanks from my side and sorry at the same time, because as a citizen of India, I feel many of our respected doctors didn't deserve their death end. जहां लोगों ने उनकी बॉडीज को क्रीमेट करने तक की जगह नहीं दी. ओनली रीजन वॉज बिकॉज दे डाइड फ्रॉम कोरोना वाइल ट्रीटिंग द पीपल. वी कांट फॉरगेट टू मेंशन आवर आर्मी, जिन्होंने उस क्राइसिस में जो कंट्री के अंदर चल रहा था, कंट्री के बाहर की क्राइसिस को हैंडल किया. दे पीपल वर फेसिंग टू क्राइसिस एट द सेम टाइम, कोरोना एंड चाइना. वी ऑल नो वर्ल्ड वॉर लाइक सिचुएशन हो गई थी, बट स्टिल दे मैनेज्ड अ लॉट. They people were having two problems at the same time. They were tensed about their family and their country. But still, वो भी कई महीनों तक घर नहीं गए. उन्होंने भी वो सेम सिचुएशंस बॉर्डर्स पे फील करी जो हम अपने घर के अंदर होकर टेंस थे. वो उन्होंने अपनी कंट्री की सिक्योरिटी के लिए वहां खड़े रहे. We really owe them a lot. Talking about our police officers, policemen, to control the lockdown in our country, to reduce the spread of coronavirus in country, and to control or to maintain social distancing between people even after lockdown. Credit goes to our policemen, the Indian police. Most importantly, I want to thank all those persons जिन्होंने उस crisis में भी खुद से ज़्यादा दूसरों के बारे में सोचा. Not only humans but animals too. You people really made 2020 survivable. Mentioning about those people जिन्होंने crisis के time पे भी blood donate किया. You people were like God to many of the people. You saved a lot of lives. Our sweepers, our bankers, our postmen, our army, our police officers, our healthcare, our doctors. We really owe you a lot. A lot of thanks. We can't repay your sacrifices, but we can show some respect from our hearts. I'm sharing this video because this is what I feel. जिस टाइम हम लोग घर से बाहर जाने की सोच भी नहीं सकते थे, they were exposed to corona. We all are grateful to our warriors, and our warriors should know that their people, their country are really grateful for what they did to us. Please do share this video with all Corona warriors and show some love at least by thanking them once in the starting of this new year, because these warriors made this year a happy new year.